Have you ever felt the fear and uncertainty that comes with kidney disease? You're not alone. Many people used to think kidney disease always gets worse and can't be stopped, but science disagrees. Welcome to a groundbreaking article that will revolutionize the way you think about kidney health. Today, I'm going to share something that will change everything you thought you knew about this condition. Imagine a world where no kidney patient ever has to face the prospect of losing a kidney again. Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's not just a dream. Recent scientific breakthroughs have brought us to the brink of a revolution in kidney health. We're talking about a groundbreaking study involving over 400 participants, spanning an incredible 8 years, unveiling secrets that we never knew. And the most exciting part? I'm going to reveal how even those in the advanced stages of kidney disease, yes, stages 4 and 5, can reclaim their health. You're about to discover the 10 transformative steps that are empowering kidney patients to take control and rewrite their stories. This journey isn't just about acquiring knowledge, it's about empowerment. By arming yourself with the insights and strategies shared here, you'll possess the tools to take control of your kidney health and make informed decisions that will impact your well-being for years to come. So, are you ready to join this journey towards a brighter, healthier future? Without any further delay, let's begin. Step 1. Take control of oxalates. Did you know that certain vegetables can contribute to kidney stones? Eating lots of fruits and veggies is good for our kidneys, but sometimes it can be confusing what's good and what's not. Some foods, like spinach and nuts, have something called oxalates. Oxalates are natural compounds found in many plant-based foods. These compounds can stick together and form crystals in your kidneys if you have too much of them. But don't worry, because you don't have to say no to these foods completely. It's about finding balance. You can do that in 2 ways. First, some foods, like those rich in calcium, can help keep those oxalates in check. Calcium tends to bind with oxalates, making it easier for them to pass through the kidneys, reducing their chances of forming stones. Second, boiling veggies can help lower oxalate content, so eating boiled veggies can lower the chances of getting kidney stones. Fiber, mostly found in fruits and veggies, can also help keep oxalate levels in check. Fiber has a tendency to bind with oxalates in the gut, preventing them from being absorbed into the bloodstream. Low oxalate levels in the bloodstream mean lesser chances of developing oxalate stones. Personal experience. I once treated a patient who was a spinach enthusiast but suffered from recurrent kidney stones. By advising him to balance his diet with calcium-rich foods and to boil his spinach, we saw a significant reduction in his stone formation. Scientific evidence. Studies have shown that a diet high in oxalates can increase the risk of kidney stones. However, combining oxalate-rich foods with calcium can significantly reduce this risk. Practical tips. Incorporate calcium-rich foods like dairy products or fortified alternatives into your meals when eating high oxalate foods. Also, consider boiling vegetables like spinach and beets to lower their oxalate content. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. Step 2. Get rid of uremic toxins. Have you ever heard of uremic toxins and their impact on kidney health? Uremic toxins are certain waste products and harmful compounds that can build up in the blood, especially when the kidneys are unable to effectively filter and excrete them. These toxins can form due to the breakdown of proteins, the metabolism of amino acids, and other metabolic processes, increasing the levels of creatinine, urea, and nitrogen-based compounds in your body, particularly when your kidneys aren't healthy enough to excrete them. The fiber in your food, particularly soluble fiber, binds with water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut. This gel can bind to waste products, including uremic toxins, and prevent them from getting into your bloodstream. One very rich source of soluble fiber is acacia fiber, also known as acacia gum or gum arabic. It is derived from the sap of the Acacia senegal tree. Acacia gum typically contains a high percentage of soluble fiber, roughly 85 to 95% of its weight. Surprisingly, some studies show that people with serious kidney problems can even avoid dialysis for up to 8 years with its help. Personal experience. I have a patient who was facing the possibility of dialysis. By incorporating acacia fiber into her diet, she not only managed to delay dialysis, but also felt an overall improvement in her health. Scientific evidence. Research has indicated that soluble fiber like acacia gum can significantly reduce the levels of uremic toxins in the blood, providing a non-invasive method to support kidney health. Practical tips. Integrate acacia fiber into your diet by adding it to smoothies or oatmeal. It can help prevent the absorption of harmful toxins into your bloodstream, offering a simple yet effective way to support kidney health. Step 3. Hydration habits. How important is hydration for your kidney health? Water is the elixir of life, flowing through your body like a river, cleansing your kidneys of toxins and ensuring they function at their peak. Adequate hydration keeps your blood volume stable, allowing your kidneys to effectively filter waste products and maintain electrolyte balance. Without enough water, your kidneys are forced to work overtime, leading to a host of potential problems, from kidney stones to urinary tract infections. So, how much water should you be drinking to keep your kidneys happy and hydrated? While the adage of 8 glasses a day is a good starting point, your individual hydration needs may vary depending on factors such as age, activity level, and climate. Listen to your body's cues and sip water throughout the day to quench your thirst and keep your kidneys operating smoothly. Personal experience. I've seen many patients improve their kidney health simply by increasing their water intake. One patient who suffered from recurrent kidney stones saw a significant reduction in stone formation by adhering to a strict hydration schedule. Scientific evidence. Studies have consistently shown that adequate hydration helps in the prevention of kidney stones and supports overall kidney function. Practical tips. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day and set reminders to drink water regularly. Monitor the color of your urine. Light yellow is a good indicator of proper hydration. Step 4. Increase vitamin D intake. Did you know that vitamin D plays a crucial role in kidney health? You might wonder, how can one vitamin make a big difference? Studies show that about 80% of people with kidney issues need more vitamin D. A deficiency in vitamin D has been linked to the development of kidney disease, making it a key nutrient to focus on. Having adequate vitamin D levels can help regulate blood pressure, support bone health, and even lower creatinine levels. Moreover, proteinuria, a condition where there is too much protein in the urine, is often a sign of kidney damage. Luckily, vitamin D has also been shown to prevent this condition, helping to protect your kidneys from further harm. Personal experience. I treated a patient with chronic kidney disease who had low vitamin D levels. After starting a vitamin D supplement regimen, his overall kidney function improved and his proteinuria decreased. Scientific evidence. Research indicates that maintaining sufficient vitamin D levels can significantly benefit individuals with kidney disease. The 25-hydroxyvitamin D test is a reliable method to check your vitamin D status. Practical tips. Take around 2,000 international units of vitamin D daily, along with vitamin K2 and magnesium. Consult your doctor for specific recommendations based on your individual health needs. Step 5. Regular exercise routine. How does regular exercise benefit kidney health? Exercise is the key to unlocking a world of health and vitality, strengthening your body from the inside out, and fortifying your kidneys against harm. Regular exercise improves blood flow throughout your body, including to your kidneys, helping to flush out toxins and waste products more efficiently. Additionally, physical activity can help control blood pressure, reduce the risk of diabetes, and maintain a healthy weight, all factors that play a crucial role in kidney health. Personal experience. One of my patients, who was overweight and had hypertension, began a regular exercise routine. Over time, his blood pressure normalized, and his kidney function showed marked improvement. Scientific evidence. Numerous studies have demonstrated the benefits of regular physical activity for kidney health, including improved blood flow, reduced blood pressure, and better overall health outcomes. Practical tips. Incorporate activities like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling into your daily routine. Even small changes, like taking the stairs instead of the elevator, can make a significant difference. Step 6. Monitoring blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Why is it crucial to monitor your blood pressure and blood sugar levels? These vital signs are the barometers of your body's internal harmony, providing valuable insights into the health of your kidneys and overall well-being. High blood pressure and uncontrolled blood sugar can wreak havoc on your kidneys, damaging the delicate blood vessels and tissues responsible for filtration and waste removal. Left unchecked, these silent saboteurs can pave the way for kidney disease and other serious health complications. Personal experience. A patient with poorly managed diabetes and hypertension developed kidney disease. By closely monitoring and controlling his blood pressure and blood sugar levels, we were able to slow the progression of his kidney disease. Scientific evidence. Research consistently supports the importance of managing blood pressure and blood sugar levels in preventing and controlling kidney disease. Practical tips. Invest in a home blood pressure monitor and blood glucose meter. Regularly track these metrics and work with your healthcare team to maintain them within the healthy range. Step 7. Managing stress levels. How does stress impact kidney health? Stress is the insidious villain, silently gnawing away at your well-being and wreaking havoc on your body and mind. Chronic stress triggers a cascade of physiological responses, including the release of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Over time, these hormones can take a toll on your kidneys, raising blood pressure, disrupting blood sugar levels, and compromising immune function, all factors that contribute to kidney damage. Personal experience. A patient suffering from high stress levels and hypertension experienced worsening kidney function. Through stress management techniques like mindfulness meditation and yoga, he saw a significant improvement in both his stress levels and kidney health. Scientific evidence. Studies have shown that chronic stress can negatively impact kidney function by increasing blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Practical tips. Incorporate stress management practices into your daily routine, such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, and physical activities like yoga or tai chi. Step 8. Getting adequate sleep. Why is sleep so important for kidney health? Sleep is the ultimate reset button for your body and mind, allowing you to recharge and rejuvenate after a long day's journey. During sleep, your body undergoes a process of detoxification, flushing out toxins and waste products that can accumulate in your kidneys and other organs. Adequate sleep also helps regulate hormone levels, repair tissues, and promote overall well-being. Personal experience. One of my patients struggled with insomnia, which affected his overall health and kidney function. By establishing a consistent sleep routine and improving his sleep environment, he experienced better kidney health and overall well-being. Scientific evidence. Research highlights the importance of sleep for maintaining kidney health. Studies have shown that poor sleep can exacerbate kidney disease and other health issues. Practical tips. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Create a calming sleep environment and avoid stimulants like caffeine before bedtime. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Step 9. Identifying and addressing the root cause. What are the common root causes of kidney disease, and how can they be addressed? When it comes to protecting your kidneys, it's crucial to tackle the underlying issues head-on. Nearly half of the individuals with kidney problems also struggle with diabetes, a leading cause of kidney disease. Many people with type 2 diabetes believe that if they've had the condition for over 6 years, there's no way to reverse it. However, recent studies reveal that even if you've been living with type 2 diabetes for as long as 11 years, there's still a chance to turn things around. Personal experience. A patient with type 2 diabetes and kidney disease experienced significant improvement in both conditions by adopting a healthier diet and incorporating natural remedies like apple cider vinegar. Scientific evidence. Research supports the benefits of dietary changes and natural remedies in managing and potentially reversing type 2 diabetes and its impact on kidney health. Practical tips. Incorporate natural remedies like apple cider vinegar into your routine. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of unfiltered ACV in a glass of water and drink it before meals 2 to 3 times a day. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods and consult with your healthcare team for personalized guidance. Step 10. Make simple dietary adjustments. How can simple dietary changes improve kidney health? Alongside the advice shared in the previous steps, a few straightforward tweaks to your diet can significantly aid in your recovery from kidney disease. Reducing sodium intake is crucial to manage blood pressure and fluid retention. Avoid processed and packaged foods notorious for their high sodium content. Depending on your kidney disease stage, you might also need to watch your protein intake. Consuming high amounts of protein can burden the kidneys, particularly if you're already dealing with kidney stones or chronic kidney disease. Personal experience. I advised a patient with advanced kidney disease to reduce sodium and protein intake. By following a low-sodium, moderate-protein diet, he experienced improved kidney function and overall health. Scientific evidence. Research highlights the importance of dietary adjustments in managing kidney disease. Studies have shown that reducing sodium and protein intake can significantly improve kidney health. Practical tips. Opt for fresh, whole foods and avoid processed snacks and meals. Limit high-potassium foods like bananas, oranges, tomatoes, and potatoes if you're in advanced stages of kidney disease. Focus on complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, and stay hydrated with adequate water intake. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment great to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you.